And just like that, guys, another week is officially in the books for SoFi stock and the stock market. And let me tell you guys, today, even though it was a short day for the stock market, we closed at 1 p.m. East Coast time, we still had a very good green day for SoFi and all of the indexes. So, guys, we're going to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on and get your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal runs out in 1 day. Literally today is the last day, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's get right into the video. So, like I said, and you guys may know this, you probably know this, maybe you don't know this, but today we had a short day in the stock market. It's currently about 120 when I'm making this video, and the indexes, the markets, closed about 20 minutes ago. So we closed at 1 p.m. East Coast time today, and SoFi went up about 2% on the day. We closed at $16.41, and we had every index, excuse me, guys. Oh, man, voice crack central here. What's going on? Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. We had every index in the green. Russell up 0.3%, QQQ up 0.9%, S&P up over 0.5%, and the Dow went up 0.4% on the day as the VIX went down almost 3%. So, yeah, volatility came down. The metals went up. Every index went up. And we had SoFi, like I said, up around 2%. And earlier in the day, guys, we got to $16.60. Think about that. So obviously yesterday was Thanksgiving. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had a great time. Hope you ate a bunch of food. You know, it was, man, talk about the food from yesterday. Holy smokes, guys. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays to everybody out there watching. But yeah, obviously yesterday the stock market was closed. But looking at the price action from Wednesday on SoFi, we uptrended all day. We opened up at about 1560, ran to about 1615 roughly at close, and then, well, today, Friday, we broke out of that high from Wednesday, right? We uptrended all day Wednesday, and we pretty much did the same thing today, hitting a fresh high of $16.61. That's the high here on the intraday, on the 5-day 5-minute chart, 10-day 30-minute chart, you name it. So essentially, guys, today was a continuation day excuse me, for SoFi. You know, we broke out of the highs. On Wednesday, we broke the highs from, I think, Monday. Yeah, Monday this week, or maybe that was last. No, that was on Monday. We hit about 1613, roughly, right? Then we sold off into Tuesday, but then Wednesday, we rallied all day, like I said a second ago, and we took out that high. We broke out of the high from Monday morning, and then today, guys, if I zoom in a bit here on the 5-day 5-minute chart, you guys can see, if I extend this to the right, obviously we broke out of the highs from Monday on Wednesday, like I said, but today we extended that breakout and we actually closed above those highs as support. So that's a good sign. And we actually pulled down in the pre-market, tested roughly at 1620-ish, which was the high roughly for Monday. So we actually tested it as support, bounced off it, and we closed above it. So yeah, just when you think SoFi needs to pull back and needs to cool off, well, it just keeps on going. The chart looks really good here, guys. Uptrend is looking beautiful. We're above both moving averages on every time frame, I believe. So if you're looking for a pullback on this thing, guys, well, there's none in sight. There is literally no sign of a pullback in sight, at least as of now. And obviously, we'll continue to do updates here on the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe so you're up to date with what we're doing with Sofi, how we're looking on the charts. Yeah, this is the channel for you, man, if you guys want to see those updates. And for me, I'm obviously still long Sofi. I'm not selling now. I'm not buying more either. I'm just holding on. And percentage-wise, I'm in at 680, by the way. Full disclosure. Percentage-wise, I'm now up around 140% on my position, which is pretty good. I've owned Sofi for around 1 year, maybe 11 months, so maybe a little less than a year. But yeah, right around a year. And man, I'll take 140%, unrealized gain in a year. I'll take that any day of the week, right? So yeah, what do you guys think? What are you doing with Sofi? Let me know in the comments. How much are you up on your position? I'm actually very curious. And before we take a quick glance at these indexes here, make sure you guys sign up to the email list. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. And the beautiful thing is that it's free. Put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below, pinned in the comment section as well, and get on the email list, guys. Again, it's free and you won't regret it. So that's a quick breakdown here on Sofi. And like I said, every index went up as well. We had the Russell 2000 go up 0.3% on the day. Not a bad day overall for the Russell. Looks like we closed right above the highs from a couple weeks ago. We hit on the 11th of this month. We peaked at about 2430-ish. So that's kind of where we're holding now as support. We closed right above it. So that's a big spot here on the Russell 2000 index. The fact that we're right around there, it's an interesting time for sure. On QQQ, if I pull this up, you guys can see we're still kind of consolidating the last couple of days. We had an almost 1% green day today, but that's not enough to get us above the highs from the last couple of days, right? Being about 510. So if we're able to break 510, I'll set my alert there right now. Maybe we get this triangle to play out. Let me do my alert now at 510. This could then start breaking out towards the all-time high, 516, 517. So we're not too far away from that on QQQ. SPY ended up going up 0.6% today, another all-time high on the S&P 500. Here, looking at SPY, we hit 603.35, another high here, guys. And now it looks like we're fully breaking out of this triangle that, let me draw it right now. You guys see that triangle. So yeah, we're fully seeing that play out on SPY, which is good. And the Dow, also hit an all-time high. Dow hit 45,071 points today, which again is an all-time high. Music to my ears, baby. So yeah, at this point, we're a bit arguably overbought on the Dow. Maybe arguably on the Russell as well. But the bulls keep on trucking, man. Nice green day across the board. SoFi crushed it. The VIX came down. Now the VIX is in the mid-13s. The VIX is in a very healthy spot. So what do you guys think? I'm actually curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. And like I said, you have one more day to get your free stocks for a Moo. This deal expires literally tomorrow. So open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, you got one more day. Like I said, clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to starsurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.